Cody,
Don't ask.
why is your car on jack stands?
The heater core was exploded.
Boy. Why is your shitbox Nissan becoming shitbox? So, why do people dislike VG30s? Oh.
I don't know. Maybe it's because you can't see the.
Wait, can you put your hand in there? Just put your hand back there, yeah. Okay, oh, you can't? Okay. Can you put your hand up here? Oh, you can't? Okay.
Now imagine this twin turbo.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it's
See,
probably.
the thing is, I have a VG, so I know where to put my hands to get there.
Yeah.
So.
But you still don't want to.
Well, I also have the better VG that doesn't have all the shit in front on top of it.
So,
Well, quote unquote, better.
other news. Johnny, how are you at with your decision on the Honda, the exhaustless Honda?
Sometimes the things that seem like a good idea in the moment are the things you'll end up regretting later.
Oh, jeez.
Maybe a lot of regret.
How much regret is there?
Yay!
All of it.
That is rusty as fuck.
What, the water?
No, the pipe. That
Oh.
We're gonna need this for the other one too.
Oh, that smells. Yeah.
So they have the hose, right?
Yeah. Well, they have one of those.
They have one of the hoses. They said it looks like an L,
Why do you have?
so it could be anything.
So when we're
Okay.
gapping somebody, you can just row.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's for the Saturn.
So you go to
Yeah.
the gap.
No, that's for when Cody's car broke down. He had to get here somehow. So Cody originally came over here so that we could start working on my damn RB or his RB
To put in this car.
to put in this car.
Yeah.
I think he opened the garage. Your car kind of felt betrayed and just started dumping coolant. We gotta fix this.
So I can go
Put
home.
coolant in it so you can get home, and then we'll work on the 240. And then Johnny needs to fix his poor life decision on the exhaust.
Not a poor life decision. It's just a learning lesson, I guess.
The neighbors already hate us.
Yeah.
Oh, I will put video in now. When your welder does skates.
You don't have names.
Do a barrel roll.
No.
Come on, Google, do a barrel roll. Oh, they do something.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh.
I'm sketchy as you would.
Here, get some speed. Start at the top of the hill.
I don't know how to do anything.
Yeah, you do.
Do a wheelie.
If you know how to skate, you know how to scooter. Wise words. Yeah.
That's fucking scary, dude.
Do bunny hop. That was the best bunny hop I've ever seen. So how are you doing?
This car is very pretty. That's about it.
But not pretty functional.
I mean, maybe one day.
One day.
When this isn't in it.
What do you think it's got?
What was that?
You know, smacked into the muscle.
The welder dies before you
Oh
finish
my
the job.
god. You're just looping the heater core?
Yeah.
Alright. It's a race car.
Because someone got the wrong.
It's California.
Someone
It's gonna be
was
swapped
like,
out
yeah,
before
it's fine.
wintertime.
Yeah. I mean, you don't. Real men don't need heaters.
Yeah, I can tell you all about that.
You don't even have a
You
dash.
said real men.
Yeah, real men don't even need interior.
Ryan, can you please give us a walk around of your car?
My car?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go for the YouTube channel.
Da, 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 da. Let's see this girl.
Got the racing seat, STI wheels.
What year is it?
It's an 02.
Okay.
RG wheel. BMW.
Tuned on what, Cobb?
Yeah. Local tuner, poker jack. It's pulling timing right now.
Okay.
I don't really know why. Could be motor mounts. Could be.
Motor mounts. What? It thinks it's knocking?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pulling like 60 feet at a time. I mean, it's just kind of your backyard build.
Did you build this in your backyard?
Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty
okay.
much. It's just got like full bolt-ons, Force Performance, 73mm turbo. ETS top mount, SPT, inlet, stock headers, catless up pipe, and then turbo back. I got Beachworks 850cc injectors in it. Beachworks 1000 fuel pressure regulator.
A fuel pump?
Beachworks 300.
Okay.
That works. That's work in progress. Yeah.
What coils are you?
Godspeeds. They're going out, but
They get you around.
it's low life.
Yeah. And then, what does this make to the? Is it all four?
It made 298 on a Mustang dyno.
In the Mustang. Okay. So that's probably what, like 350 crank.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
350, 375 crank. She's not a Butte, but
It's
She
fine.
rips
It's a
backwards.
race car.
rips back roads. Tires are quality as hell in the front.
Honestly,
you know, understeer life.
Yeah, it's fine. Honestly, if anything, this is the goal I want to meet for the Mazda Speed.
Yeah.
I want to be.
Something that you don't really care too much about.
Yeah. Well, it's like I want to be either this car, so I'm coming for you, or Jason's car. I gotta bring this thing on 2K.
Yeah.
Now, this is epic. I need something to weigh this down. 'Cause it's just...
Use my depression. Hey, Cody, you know what you're doing?
No.
Okay.
Does anyone with an angle grinder know?
Do I need to tell you the direction that the sparks are going
It's gonna fit it.
I'll find out.
I don't get paid enough for this shit.
You're not getting paid at all. Wait, I bought you In-N-Out,
There you go.
but for my motor.
Yeah, I was told.
Cody?
RV. What the fuck is this?
It's basically an RV.
How you doing?
Just go back outside.
I don't have small enough tools.
It's in my pants. I'm glad I'm wearing safety shoes.
Cool. You said they're just gonna be cut.
Yeah, this is all for Johnny's car.
Now,
What
I
a
fixed it.
damn! You're a natural. Yes.
All right, so blew up his radiator. Heater core hose somehow. So instead of fixing it, we just bypassed the heater.
That's a fix.
You're right, it runs.
That's all that matters.
We did this because he went to the store, bought the wrong hose. It was the wrong size. So we ended up actually being able to use it for the bypass.
Yeah, the right hose was for the wrong reason.
Yeah, wrong hose for the right reason.
Good to know.
I did something right.
So I guess if anyone's curious, it's pretty simple. You just go from one outlet to the inlet on the back of the motor. Don't put it to the heater core. Apparently people do that. So I don't know where it's coming from,
It's dripping.
but it's probably not good.
Just car things.
Why do you not have a decent light?
Buy a 300, they actually said. It'll be fun, they said.
They're fun when they run.
So you fixing the mistakes? Mistakes were made?
Oh yeah, Johnny's mistakes.
Yes.
I think you messed up, Amigo.
What do you mean?
Because there's no, we don't have two couplers.
How come it fit over the floor?
Because they had that little piece in there.
Jeez.
No, it fit over to this. No.
Well, Dumb and Dumber get that figured
That
out.
wasn't me.
Is it fixed? Is it fixed? What do you mean, I guess so? Why is it leaking?
Right there.
Oh, yeah?
The on-ramp.
Yeah.
He's the guy that works for
Oh, you know Matt? The guy with the 520 or the 520 wagon or 510 wagon.
No, but I see that all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a friend of the player that was here right now.
Oh, Riley.
Riley, yeah.
Yeah.
He was dropping off brake fluid. I just did all the
Nice.
stuff.
That's pretty clean.
Yeah.
So that's good now. So you're just finishing up the
Well,
exhaust.
so that's it. Does it have gaps?
Yeah, it's a full tank. Where you going?
Test drive, make sure it's a piece of shit.
I want you to do
$855.